Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today I am coming to you from the pilot house aboard a Mississippi riverboat, docked right here in Vicksburg, Mississippi, on the banks of the Mississippi. And I am going to take you on a tour of this boat, as well as the Mississippi River Museum. And we'll get started right after this station identification. Things have changed a whole lot since the Mark Twain days. Everything is controlled by electronics. And here is a view of the Mississippi, as well as right out in the window there. That is the channel that takes you out to the Mississippi. Mississippi itself is right on the other side of those trees. Some steam whistles off some steamships. The Mississippi flood of 1927 put a lot of people out of their homes, and a lot of folks Had to stay in tents on cots such as this one. And the Mississippi River still floods. Well, that was a pretty exciting tour of this Mississippi Riverboat. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you did, be sure to go down below, give me a thumbs up, and if you will, share with your family and friends. But until next time, and as always, y'all have a good day.